Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make voice deeper in voice mode. In order to do this, you first have to launch your voice mode software and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you have successfully logged in, you need to hover over to the top where you are going to see this search bar, and in this search bar you simply need to search for voice enhancer. Once I've done that, you are going to see the results in front of you where you just have to scroll down a bit, and in the bottom you are going to see the option of voice enhancer. So if you click on the option of voice enhancer, it will show you that it is a premium feature. So if you are using voice mode premium, then you are going to see this enhance feature and you can use the pitch feature into it. So you can increase the pitch in order to make your voice deeper, or you can even decrease it in order to make it lighter. But if you are using voice mode's free feature and still you want to make your voice deeper, then what you can do is you can simply go back, and in the right hand side you are going to see a bunch of different settings such as voice volume. So you can increase or decrease the volume, or you can even play with bass and middle. So you can increase the bass in order to make your voice deeper, and you can even increase the middle in order to make it deeper, or you can use these different settings until you get your desirable results. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.